How to sign into YouTube on a VW TV. Signing into YouTube on a VW TV allows you to access your subscriptions, playlists, and personalized recommendations. Follow these steps to log in. Step 1. Open the YouTube app. Turn on your VW TV. Ensure your TV is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Launch YouTube. Press the home button on your remote, navigate to the apps menu, and select YouTube. Step 2. Access the sign-in option. Navigate to sign in. Open the YouTube app and look for the sign-in option, usually found in the top right corner or the settings menu. Choose a sign-in method. You will see two options: sign in with TV code, sign in directly. Step 3. Sign in using TV code recommended. Get the code. Select sign in with TV code and a unique code will appear on your TV screen. Open a browser on your phone or computer. Go to youtube.com/activate. Log in to Google account. Enter your Google account credentials and sign in. Enter the code. Input the TV code displayed on your VW TV and click Next or Activate. Confirmation. Once activated, your account will sync with YouTube on the TV. Step 4. Sign in directly on TV, if supported. Select Sign in directly. Use the Sign in option on the TV app. Enter account details. Use the on-screen keyboard to enter your Google account email and password. Complete the process. Follow any additional on-screen instructions to complete the login. Step 5. Verify sign-in. After signing in, your YouTube account will display your playlists, subscriptions, and personalized content. By following these steps, you can easily sign into YouTube on your VW TV and enjoy personalized content.